It is April 13th. The puppies are, well, I guess about a day and a half old now. And as you can see, they're all thriving. Mama's a good mama. Aren't you, Em? You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. All up at the milk bar here. Let me see, I'm guessing, but I think this is female number 1. Okay. This one I think is little female 2, not that you can see her. There, kind of, nope, that's actually the boy. That's the boy. Can't see her. Him. There's the little apricot or something color. He is cuter than I'll get out. This is female number, let me see, 3. Well, anyway. Anyway, there's another little girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Somebody's buried under there. Oh, there they are. A little private moment that I'm encroaching upon, huh, Emily? Huh, Emily? But Mama's a good mama. Yes, Anne.